Along the coast of Norway goes the E39. It's 650 miles, crossing fjords and going through massive mountains. The 15 first miles of the E39 goes between Kristiansand and Mandal. There's a new 4-lane highway under construction right now. We started in 2018 and we plan to be finished in late 2021. 2 years ago, we also started on a digital journey. The E39 project is being designed and constructed as a fully digital delivery. This means applying to BIM Level 3, accommodate to the principles of VDC, and ultimately making a drawingless project.
The coastal highway, Route E39, overall goal is to connect all of the west coast in Norway. In the very south of this route, we have the Kristiansand-Mandal project. There the scope is to enable our client to build faster, reduce cost, and build with less climate impact. To do so, we needed to change the standard delivery to meet these requirements, especially with digitalization, and to reduce the environmental impacts. So we think that in this project we managed to do a great combination of these two.
Together with Noise, we developed a web-based project collaboration tool. This BIM viewer makes it possible to follow the design and coordinate between the different disciplines, while at the same time be used on-site by the contractor and the client. Having the possibility to use Autodesk software to tailor our solutions according to the demands and needs by the client has most certainly been a success criteria for us. They have played an important role connecting both the small and the larger pieces that make out our digital twin.